Alright, so today I'm going to be demonstrating the overhead press. Now we're going to be doing this with a kettlebell here, so the mechanics will be slightly different than when we typically do this with a barbell or even some dumbbells. So overhead press is essentially a variation of a shoulder press. We're going to grab onto our weight, we're going to drive our arms up into the sky. Arms are going to be straight out, pushing towards the ceiling. We want to make sure we're pushing this weight up constantly. It's not just push up and then let the arms sag a little bit. The reason why is we want to engage all our back muscles here, which requires our arms being nice and straight, shoulders opening up. Those back muscles are nice and strong and are going to help suspend the weight and support the shoulders so that we don't load too much of that weight onto the shoulders, okay? So with the kettlebell, we're going to grab onto it by two horns right here. I like to place my thumbs on the handle right here. It gives me a little better time pushing. So we're going to keep this up to the chest and push straight up into the air, hold. Now while we're holding in this position, make sure you engage in your core, right? You're going to notice that when your arms are up in the air, you have the tendency to start falling backwards. We're going to tighten up in the core right here so that our back is engaged, core is engaged, keeping our body nice and straight as well. So you're going to notice that on a couple of those reps there, I had a little shifting motion in my knees and my hips. It's very similar to the push press. However, we're going to restrict that towards sets where we have a little higher volume. If we can start out doing a strict push without lower body help, we're going to shoot for that, okay? However, if you're 10, 20 reps in and the weight is starting to kick in a little bit, we can go ahead, get a little dip in the hips, slight push from the squat, not squats, I just said squats, slight push from the quads, squeeze in the glutes, and engage in the core, let that momentum carry up and help us drive that weight up into the air. So that's going to look like this. And that is our overhead press. Thanks for watching.